Yes, but which one?
All these are showing like timeline from time to time.
Um, I don't understand what these are. Is it intake? Is it
Let me check the
His
filter.
what status? Yeah.
Uh, I
His
used a I used a filter view of first contact date.
Hizra, you can share your screen and explain everything.
Okay.
Yes. Kathleen, Hizra going to share their screen and
Okay.
she will explain everything and she will answer your all questions.
Okay. Perfect.
Yes. Kathleen, Hizra, she is very expert in Notion and she is built much more like a project in Notion. So if you have in future any complex task about Notion, you can reach out us and she will set up everything according to your expectation.
Oh yeah, okay. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yes. Even you can refer our services with your team member, you refer a friend, so more.
Yes, yes. I would need your help to continue building this, so I will be paying you more. Yeah, because I'm asking for more things, so I understand.
Perfect. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I am sorry. I accidentally crossed my screen. So
No problem, Khizra. You can go ahead and share your screen.
I think there is a problem. I cannot share my screen.
Okay, no problem. Then, Kathleen, you can share your screen and Khizra explain everything.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Okay. I just didn't understand what why these clients are popping up. So were you using the intake date or the
I
treatment? Yeah.
I use the first contact date filter in this in the main page.
Oh,
Here
first
you
contact. This one?
yes.
Oh, I see.
Should I change this?
Yeah, we don't really need that.
Okay, so what I can replace with this?
Um, yeah, we don't really need the first contact. If you could do the first, yeah, we don't really need this because you already, maybe if you can do the intake date instead of first contact, the intake date would be more helpful.
Okay, no worry. I will change this.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's next?
Yes. Okay. And then also, I think there was miscommunication. I want to know how many sessions a client has had because this is not that helpful because I have my own calendar already for this. So I actually want to know, like, for example, Pauline, she has like 2 sessions in March, 4 sessions in July, things like that. Is it possible?
For this, Sessions, you have to enter a date for every session. Like you have one
Um,
session, January or February. You every time you have to enter a date for the session. Is it okay?
yeah, I, I think we have the latest appointment right here. You see,
Yes, I
latest
can see.
appointment.
But for
Yeah.
the monthly appointment sessions, you have to enter a date every time. Like on 20th March or 20, whatever the date is, you have to enter the date for the next session every time.
Oh, just use this.
Last appointment, is this appointment date?
Yeah, appointment date. Uh-huh.
Last appointment. It is helpful, but it does not extract the views of monthly
Oh, I see.
sessions.
Okay. That's okay then. If that's the case, then you just remove this then.
Okay,
Yeah, just remove that and then also change this to intake.
okay, I change this.
Yeah, and this is really nice. I love this. This is really nice. Is there a way to view only solo practice or only group practice
Okay,
on this one?
I'll group this and then it shows only solo practice or whatever the tag is. I'll
Yeah,
change
solo
this.
practice or group practice. That's it. Don't put action require. Just solo practice or group practice.
Okay, I'll
Yeah,
change this later.
yeah, that's really nice. This one is good. Pending intake. Yeah. How come it doesn't show? Can I go back to the last month?
You can just click the monthly tab.
And
Yes,
then it
yes.
doesn't show anything.
I think there is a filter. Let me check. In which page pending index? Can you click the filter because I don't have access? Can you click the filter?
Hit the printer.
The last one. Yes, yes. And then click the two rules option. So there is a intake date filter this year. Click the monthly tab first. You open the yearly pending intake. Cross it, cross it. No, no, no. Cross it and open the monthly tab
Monthly.
at the top where you open the yearly pending state intakes.
Like this one?
No, in the top, just below the active client, there is a monthly tab. Yeah, open it.
Right here?
Yeah, open it. Okay, now click the filter. Here you can see the sort, and this is a rule. Rule. Click the rule. Yes. This show if the status is pending, then all the entries shows in this calendar. So
Oh, the pending intake. Okay, so because
it
I
is not
changed it already.
it is not showing because there is no pending intakes in this.
Oh, I see. I see. I see. Okay, got it. Active.
If you want some others, then you can edit the filter. No, it's
Oh,
showing active properties also.
I see. Okay, so I can show active like this.
Yes, you can show. I'll just add the calendar view and then make the setting.
Okay. Um, well, it's okay. It's okay. Oops, I don't know what I did. Um,
I'll
oops,
change it
okay.
later.
I don't want this.